Hi, this is Wade, Product Support Manager for the Whalen Company. Today we're going to show how to measure a fan assembly for replacement. In order to get the correct assembly for a fan on a job that you may not be able to get the model and serial number due to many different reasons, there are just a few measurements that we would need at the factory to be able to replace the unit that you're working on. Those units would be, or those measurements would be, the discharge length, the discharge width, the overall height, the overall width, and then the fan wheel diameter. If we can get those 5 dimensions, we can match the assembly for your need. Thanks for watching our video today, and if you have any other concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Tech Support Department at the Whalen Company at 443-258-2786.